Overdoses claimed the lives of 89 people in Rowan County in 2022. So with International Overdose Awareness Day approaching on August 31st, I spoke with the public health specialist there to talk about what they're doing to prevent those tragic deaths. Haley, if you could start by maybe giving me just a quick summary of what Thursday's event is all about and exactly what's going to be happening.
Yes, so this Thursday we are hosting an event to honor International Overdose Awareness Day. This is going to be a night of tribute and support. We have about 12 vendors that will be attending, and we really wanted to have like a resource fair surrounding with resources for substance use, mental health, or any other thing that could help an individual who is currently struggling with substance uses. We do have a video from Dr. Floyd. He is a person who has lived experience, but he is also a doctor who provides treatment for individuals who are struggling with substance use. It's about a 30-minute presentation that we'll be sharing about 5:30, maybe 6 o'clock. Starting around 7 o'clock, we are hosting a candlelight vigil. This will be provided by Pastor Heather Bachelder. She will be doing just a small speech and just hold a moment of silence for everybody to come together and just pay our respects.
How did the 89 deaths that Rowan County experienced last year compare to some of the more recent years just before that? And how many deaths have you documented so far in 2023?
So we have seen an increase throughout the past few years. In 2019, we reported 51 overdoses. Since 2020 and moving forward, that number has increased. 2020, it was 74 reported overdose deaths. And then in 2021, it was 87. So since 2020, those numbers have kind of increased more rapidly. It's hard to say what 2023 numbers are because a lot of the times these numbers are reported through the state. We get these numbers reported by community paramedics or by other platforms that report overdose deaths. We are reporting about 30 to 40 right now, and that is not a definite number because we expect that number is probably more than what we can gather, but that's about what we've seen so far this year.
Is the problem of overdose deaths affecting any particular age group in Rowan County that you've noticed, or is it spread across a wide range of ages?
Yes, so right now we're seeing about 40-year-olds that are at more risk of an overdose, and I would say the age range that we document is 35 to 45 years old.
Are there any specific things you're doing in Rowan County to combat the problem, given that it seems so widespread across the nation, really?
Yes, so here out of the health department, we have a HOPE team. HOPE stands for Harm Reduction, Outreach, Prevention, and Education. We have a partnership with our community paramedic, and that's called like our post-overdose response team. So what happens is anyone who experiences an overdose in Rowan County, we get that as a referral. We have peer support specialists that contact that individual from 24 to 72 hours and then periodically up to 3 months. Through those contacts, we're trying to encourage individuals to either seek treatment or just to give them resources to keep them healthy and safe. But we also want to build relationships with individuals so when they are ready to accept treatment or accept some type of form of recovery, they know where to go to. They can reach out to us and we are there to support them. We also provide free Narcan. We provide it out of the health department. Anybody can walk in, grab a kit. We teach them how to use it properly. We teach them the signs of an overdose and what to look for. But while we're out in the community, we hand it out to everyone as well.